reindeer eggs locally sourced?
I don't know.
Well, I won't eat eggs unless they're locally sourced.
Okay, good for you.
Hey, why aren't you wearing a hairnet?
Lots of reasons. One,
Shut up!
you know, I'm guessing you don't get invited to a lot of parties.
Hey, Captain Man, Captain Man.
Ah, yes, Vice Mayor Willard.
Yeah, hi. There's a reporter here from KLVY News. She wants to do an interview with you.
Oh, it's not Evelyn Hall, is it?
Yeah, I believe it is.
Ah, crud. Hey, listen.
I'll bring her over.
No, please don't. What's the problem? I took this reporter out on a date last week, and I told her I'd text her the next day, and I didn't.
And here's Captain Man.
Yeah, I see him.
Hey, look, I was gonna text you, and...
But you didn't.
Evelyn. Rolling.
I'm standing here inside City Hall with Kid Danger.
And Captain Man.
Kid Danger, Christmas question. If you went on a date with a girl
Oh, here it comes.
and you promised to text the girl the next day, what would you do?
Can you not do this?
I would text the girl.
All right, Evelyn, I'm texting you, all right? I'm texting you right now. And send. Oh, wait, that's a different Evelyn.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm in.
Hey, come on, let's just go serve the food.
Yeah, all right.
All right.
There he is, right there.
Wait, you mean Captain Man?
That's right, look at him.
Oh, come on!
Don't give
He's
me that.
Captain
A
Man.
law is a
Very
law is a
important
law.
to the city.
Do your duty.
Hey, you don't have to tell me
refusing to
about my
do your
duty.
duty?
Listen, sir.
I'm a woman.
I'm sorry.
Huh?